Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Working on a 2012 Dodge Caravan. They're the same from 11 to 20. And actually what we're doing is engine air filter, or cleaner. They're pretty much the same. The boxes might look a little different than that for the older vans and possibly the newer ones, but this will encompass the 11s to the 2020s with 3.6. Let's take a look how easy it is to access it and how easy it is to change it. Now with the hood open, it's this triangle looking box here on the left hand side with this hose on there. So basically it's a flat screwdriver. I'm not sure, you could also use a little socket, but I'm not sure what size it is. But it's a flat screwdriver. Loosen that clamp up. Hard to do holding the camera and turning a screwdriver. But it comes off. I can't scratch my head and rub my tummy either at the same time. And this hose should come off too. Either twist it or pry it. Or it's not clamped on. Sometimes they're a little tough to get off. And this one, if it's loose enough, it should pop off. There you go. So far so good. Well, there's one, two, there's three clamps here. Just go on the bottom and just give it a little snip. There, it pops off. There's one on this side too. I'll show you another angle a little closer. It might be hard to see in the video. So let's look at this one here. Get it really close. Take your finger and then grab it from the bottom and pull towards you. And then pull the top off, just like that. Now you can take the top off. There's our filter. Only goes in one way. Those pleats go down. This one's not too bad. A little bit of fluff on it. I would not use any kind of compressor air or anything, but that's what it looks like inside there. Make sure there's no junk in there. Could vacuum that box out if you want. And the new one just goes in same way the old one came out. This one we're reusing, but like I say, the pleats, whatever, go down to the bottom. Oh, don't want to forget that. Then we just put the top back on. Those three little fingers pop in the back there. Easy enough. Try and put in the description. We'll have to see if I can find any of these filters. You can get them from just about anywhere. If I think of it, I'll put one in the description below. We'll just clip back on. Top goes on first, and then push it, the other piece down to the bottom. Same with this one. Ooh, there we go, you'll know. And then this other one here, we'll show you close up again, just so you understand. This fits on the top layout, and then push it down and it locks. Put your hoses back on. Two hands is a lot easier. Might have to manhandle it a little bit, as they say. Might have to loosen the clamp a little bit too. I think it'll go on. There you go. And tighten it up. Just has to be snug, really. You just don't want water or extra dirt getting there, or air getting in there. You want it to go through the filter first, and then this piece just pops back on too. And I guess we are done. That easy, huh? So why would you pay somebody to do that when you can do it yourself, right? You can do that at home with no tools required. If you like the video, why not give me the thumbs up? If you haven't subscribed already, you should hit that subscribe button there in the corner. I've got a whole bunch of videos on this van and my wife's 2010 Dodge Caravan, very similar vans. It's a whole playlist. Put the playlist up there. And there's many other playlists too. If you've never actually checked the whole channel out, why not snoop around, see what's new. Until next time, thanks for joining me. Bye-bye for now.
Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Also, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.
Test 1, 2, 3. I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. Changing a air filter, engine air.